Hello guys, in last lecture we have created CSS variables which we have been testing out on our layout and also on our fit element. In this one I will show you how you can inform the Tailwind about these variables, how you can register them in the Tailwind and you can access them easier. Alright, so the problem currently is when we are in our layout TSX, let's say, or maybe in our CSS file here, that when I'm writing here var and I'm accessing variable, actually I don't have in here any auto-completion. I don't know that I have a green variable created. So I'll actually redefine these variables in a Tailwind. And this will be, again, copying pasting because there is too much lines of code. We would spend here too much time, but I will explain you general concept. So open the description of this video. Okay, so we can stop and you can open the resources of this video. And you should find there this, again, link to GitHub repository or the file itself. But what's important here is to copy only colors. You can select the colors and the text colors here. So this here you need to select. Okay, when you will select this, let's copy it. Let's go back to our congators. Let's go to Tailwind. All right, and let's paste it simply in the theme extends. Let's paste it here. Now you can see here I'm defining here basically new variables called just simply not dash dash, but a primary dash 2, secondary dash 2, hover 1, hover 2. And to this key here, the colors, I'm providing actual value of the variables which I'm accessing through normal syntax. Okay, so var and the dash dash primary. So this is my stylings from a base CSS, right? And I'm redefining them in a Tailwind. Okay, text color, here also text color here, and there's also variables from we have defined before. So no big changes, guys, here. Okay, so we are just registering these variables into a Tailwind, and now we will see the interesting thing. I will save this file. It's very important to save it. Let's go to layout module CSS, and I will try to access this background color now differently. You will see it will work. Okay, so I will remove this var. What we are able to use now is a theme. All right, and on a theme we can access our colors. So let's wrap it in the quotations. And now you can see already you have auto-completion here. These ones, all of these are defined by Tailwind. But what we have here is our custom ones, colors. And on the colors, I can access all of the colors. Okay, and I can access here green as I had it before. Okay, semicolon here, and let's save it. Okay. We can go back to our previous one here. Oops. Localhost 3000, and we should see here a green background. Yeah, as before. Okay, so now you can access your stylings much easier. If I want to access here, there's a color. Okay, I'll access here theme, and now text color. Okay, you can see this corresponding to these keys here. So colors, accessing primary or any other key. In the text color, I can access here base, for example. So text color, and I'll access here base. Okay, a semicolon, and yeah, everything will be applied accordingly. Okay, so that's just a different way how we can access now variables. Now this is much better when we are using the Tailwind as we had it all the way. So let's go to our Tailwind, to our layout TSX, and let's remove here not class name, but the color here, because we will be not using it this way. And let's revert it as it was before, so on one line here. Okay, save it. All right, guys, so this is working. We have defined new variables. Let's continue in the next lecture. Cheers.